In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm doing this on a website, but basically if you're using this for an app, it's going to be the same thing. So the step number one that you are going to do is head over to your assets. You can do that by clicking my assets right here. And then you have two here. So you have crypto and you have the cash. Now, if say, for example, you're doing this for the crypto, you can head over here and then you can go ahead and choose from the assets that you have. Now, take note that I don't have a balance as of the moment because this is just a dummy account that I'm using for this particular tutorial. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click Ethereum for now. And what you are going to do is just head over here to the right side panel. You should be able to see the word sell. Go ahead and click that. And then go ahead and write here the amount that you are going to sell. If say, for example, you want to cash them all, you can go ahead and click the max button in here and you should be able to see here the amount that you have for your Ethereum as of the moment. Now again, I'm going to selling Ethereum. Now I'm going to choose cash. So this is USD, for example. You can go ahead and click this if you have other options in here, but usually it's just cash. Now what you're going to do is just click the review order here and you should be able to see a prompt telling you or showing you what you are doing, how much you're going to be getting, and the fee that you are going to be having. Now, if you agree with that one, you can just hit over the submit. And once you're done with that, you can head over to my assets and you should be able to see it in cash here. So yeah, that is how simple it is to withdraw money from Coinbase.